Thought you were gonna open the door. I was gonna do a cool vid.
Sorry.
It's all good.
No, we opened this door. Sorry, we can open that one too.
You're good. Just gonna change some tires here for the LT80. You join us at Herschel's compound, the old place. The Jeep's not here. Where's the Jeep at?
It's in the back.
Oh. Snowmobile, huh?
Yep.
Dude, snowmobile motor?
Yeah, new engine in the snowmobile. Has a water leak that I probably made. So, I have to fix it.
Did you do something to this last time or something?
Well, I never send it out. I put it together and it leaked water.
Oh.
So, whatever.
Things are pretty crazy. Never really seen. The motor's not near as big as I thought it'd be, actually.
2-cylinder.
Yeah.
800 cc's. There's no transmission on them.
It's just the motor with a CVT or something? Like a belt direct off the crank?
Yeah, CVT off this side.
Jeez. Then the brakes over here. It's kind of interesting how they do it.
Yeah, it goes through to that, like, they call that the jack shaft.
Yeah.
Down to the track drive.
Huh. It's pretty wild. Lose my foot. All the air out of it? Doesn't feel like it, huh?
I don't know. Maybe not.
Why are you being so difficult? We could just remove the whole valve stem. Smart.
Science. Science-ticious. Oh, I hear a little air.
Mm-hmm.
Self-inflated.
Well, there we go. I'll just stand on it. Ooh. Hell yeah. Break the bead. Dang. Son of a gun, man.
Yeah, these are bitches.
Jeez. So we're up to 118. Tim Woods just subscribed. Sick.
Shout out to you, Tim.
Tim. Thank you. This keeps inflating. Stop inflating! Hey, what if we raise up this a little bit and then drop it on just the top? Oh, see, I'm talking to the camera stupidly, and you're just a genius. Amazing kid show. Ooh. Dang, that tire is done.
It is now. Won't need this where we're going.
We're gonna be gentle to our new tires. These are our new Schmeats. The Schmeats. These are Wanda brand. They do feel a little thin, but oh, oh. Come on, baby. Don't be mean. Heck yeah, got it. Heck yeah. Beautiful. Sick.
Is completely destroyed.
Yeah.
This one should come off pretty easy. Oh.
So you know, kids, you held the flashlight while your dad was working on stuff. That's what I do with Herschel. I just hold the flashlight. He does all the actual. I just stay out of his way. I defer to the bigger man. Do these shocks not have springs on them? It's so cool. They're just.
Yeah, these ones are like a nitrogen one.
Yeah, it's
Walker Evans, baby.
lightweight. Anyways.
Guess they have a spring internal. I don't know.
Yeah, they probably have something in there, but it's cool. Almost got it. Almost got it. Come on, you son of a. Just dig in there. Yeah. Yank her out. Heck yeah. Probably need to make sure these rims are. Dang.
Dude.
Oof.
Who did that?
Freaking a-holes, man. This is why you always buy new stuff instead of previously owned. Hashtag buyer LT80.
For sale.
Do we need to sand down the edges at all? Are they okay?
They look fine. Yeah.
All right, boys and girls. Mostly boys, based on our demographics, but always looking for girls.
We need a girl on the channel.
We do. Look at this. We have a tire machine.
Piece of junk.
Okay, it's a piece of junk. Never mind. We're not using it. Oh. What the f... Oh, gosh. Never spend a weekend at Herschel's house. This thing might get brought out. Oh. The slop. Ooh. The slop.
Okay.
Okay. Hopefully we bought the right tires. Herschel bought the right tires.
Hopefully.
I did not buy these. I cannot claim that I am contributing financially to them currently.
I'm never going to financially recover from this.
I still haven't. We need to do a shop tour of this place.
Please.
What are we doing here? What does this do?
This keeps it from coming off on you while you're trying to put it on.
Okay. Got some channel locks here. Great. Oh.
Nice.
That's a good trick.
Let's see if it freaking works.
It's Good thing we didn't try to do this at my house. This would not have worked. Ooh! Schloob. Ooh. Ooh.
Get in there. Oh, yeah.
Ooh. Doggy.
Good luck getting these beads to seat.
Yeah. That was a little too easy, but okay. What size are these? Are these the same size? They are, right?
I think so.
20 by 7. 20 by 7, yeah. By 8. Yeah, 20 by 7 by 8. Yeah.
These ones just...
They're just fresh, that's all.
fresh. They come from China.
China.
Oh boy.
Hmm.
Okay, tire here. Gonna have...
Oh, I forgot you didn't have the 25 horsepower air maker here.
Yeah, we have to listen
Need
to
the
that
rainforest.
for the next hour.
What's that?
We're gonna have to listen to that for the next hour. Piece of shiz.
Woo! Ladies and gentlemen of the channel. Oh, one side. Pop, pop, pop. Ooh, doggy. Here. Dude, so sick. This man's a pro. Boom! Dude. Those are so sick. I'm gonna grip so good, dude. They're so sticky compared to these freaking... I mean, just look at this tread difference, viewers.
Look at that. Just imagine getting ran over like that.
You want to run me over on the 80 when we're done? On the 80, it wouldn't be that bad.
Dude, it would be terrible.
You think?
Yes.
I don't think it'd be as bad. It's not as heavy.
It would bottom out on your freaking... The case would hit you. You'd be like...
Yeah, no, you're right. You're right. All right, good call. Fine. If you have something else that Herschel can hit me with, besides like a car or a forklift, dude, forklift.
Do it for it. Besides...